Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important, but often forgotten, parts of your car's engine, the timing belt. If this little belt fails, it can destroy your engine in seconds. So in this video, I'll show you how to know when it's time to replace your timing belt, what signs to look for, and a few pro mechanic tips to keep your engine safe. Let's get into it. The timing belt is a rubber belt with teeth that keeps your engine's camshaft and crankshaft moving in perfect sync. It controls when your valves open and close, so your pistons and valves don't collide. If that belt snaps, your engine could suffer catastrophic damage, bent valves, damaged pistons, or even a full engine rebuild. Now let's talk about the warning signs that your timing belt may be on its last leg. 1. Cracking or fraying. Pop the timing cover if possible. If the belt looks cracked, shiny, frayed, or has missing teeth, it's time to replace it immediately. 2. Ticking noise from the engine. A ticking or rattling sound could mean the belt is loose or stretched, affecting your valve timing. 3. Engine misfires or rough idle. If your belt slips by even one tooth, it can throw your engine timing off, causing misfires. 4. Oil leaking. Near the timing cover. Oil can degrade the rubber belt fast, so fix any leaks around the camshaft or crankshaft seals before it's too late. 5. Heat car won't start. In the worst case, the belt snaps and your engine won't even turn over properly. Even if you don't see visible damage, timing belts wear internally over time. Check your owner's manual. Most manufacturers list a specific mileage or time interval for replacement. Example, Toyota Camry, around 90,000 miles. Honda Civic, 100,000 miles. Older VW or Subaru models, 60,000 miles. If you bought a used car and don't know when the belt was last replaced, don't risk it. Replace it as soon as possible. A timing belt job typically costs anywhere from $400 to $1,000 USD, depending on your vehicle and labor rates. DIY replacement is possible, but it's a precision job. If the belt goes on one tooth off, your engine won't run right. If you do it yourself, always line up timing marks perfectly. Replace tensioner, pulleys, and water pump at the same time. Double-check rotation direction and torque specs. If you're not confident, let a professional handle it. To make your timing belt last, keep your engine oil clean and change it regularly. Fix oil leaks right away. Avoid revving a cold engine. The belt is stiffer when cold. Stick to your maintenance schedule. It's your engine's life insurance. So there you have it. The key signs and maintenance tips to know when it's time to replace your timing belt. Ignoring it could cost you thousands, but replacing it on time keeps your engine running smooth for years. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car repair tips, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching. And remember, a little maintenance goes a long way.